Hey everybody, what's up? I'm Chris. I'm standing here with my friend Saraswati Om, my friend Rachel, and we are going to taste test some new ice cream, avocado ice cream. So I have some Cado avocado. I don't know if it's pronounced Cado or Cado. It probably Cado because avocado.
Cado.
Okay, so we have 7 different flavors here. We're just gonna put our spoons in there and tell you what we think. So let's start. I want to end with what I think would be best. So I love chocolate. I'm gonna end with chocolate. I don't know if there's any of you out there that like to do that too, to save the best for last. I think there's a song about that. Vanessa Williams.
Can you sing it for us?
That's when go and save the best for last. Sometime the sun. Let's start with a cherry amaretto. Now I don't do alcohol, but we already looked at. There's no alcohol in here. Cherry amaretto. We need our spoons.
I want to hear Chris sing some more.
Sometimes the snow comes down in June. Okay, so cherry amaretto. What is this?
That's supposed to be your mic.
It's made with avocado. Ingredients: organic avocado puree, avocado oil. There's a little bit of oil in here, and some sugar cane, stuff like that. Ooh, it looks
creamy.
It looks good.
It looks like strawberry.
So far, so good. Like, I mean,
I think I'm gonna like this one.
Ooh, look how creamy that is.
That's awesome.
It's cherry chunks in there or something?
Chocolate chunks.
Don't let her fool you. She'll eat a cake by herself.
I will.
It's got dark chocolate flakes in it. I almost went back in, but I remember that's like
double dipping.
You can't double dip on my watch.
I like that one a lot.
I like it a lot too.
This might be. I'm guessing this is gonna be one of my favorites.
So far, this is my favorite. It's 1 out of 1. No, but really, it's nice and creamy. It's got a nice cherry taste. The chocolate is there.
And it's not like artificial cherry
No.
flavored. It's really good.
It's so creamy. I don't know what else to say. I'll tell you this. It's been in my freezer for a month. It's not freezer burnt at all. It's nice and creamy.
It's good.
So I'm gonna put that there. We all liked it. Let's go on to the next one. We have one more spoon before we have to go do dishes. Simply lemon. Simply lemon.
See, I wonder if this is gonna take like lemon sorbet.
It could. Also, it's so.
It's pretty.
I want to say it's perfect. I almost don't want to go in there because it's so perfect.
I know. So pretty.
I want a picture of it. Oh my God, so creamy. A lot of time ice cream, it's like a little harder to get in there, and this is just nice and creamy. It's got a nice creamy texture.
It's good. It's like sorbet.
Like lemon sorbet.
Nice and lemony.
I like it.
There's nothing about this I don't like.
You would never know there's avocado in it.
Yeah, I know.
I think it just makes it creamy.
A zesty lemon with creamy avocado. Super good. My mom is going to be so upset that we're doing this without her.
Sorry, Mom.
All right, now we are on mint chocolate chip, and I gotta say, I really love the packaging on this. Let's see. All right, so it's white, it's not green. Oh, there's little flakes of chocolate chips in here. It's got that nostalgic taste to it. If you like mint chocolate chip, which I do.
I don't.
You don't like mint chocolate chip?
Not bad, but the Vikings love it.
Perfect.
Ivor
Your
loves it.
your husband's a Viking, so
I love it.
give it to Ivor.
I like it.
I would definitely recommend this, yeah. Nice creamy texture. This is what it looks like. It's not green. It's white. And it's got like a nice minty, and the chocolate chips are perfect. It makes me reminisce about when I was a little kid. We're going with vanilla bean. And I can't say anything bad about the packaging because they all look really cool. Let's open that up. Ooh, that looks...
There's a lot of specks of vanilla. I think I'm gonna like this already.
Yeah. And the texture, nice and creamy. Perfect. All right, here we go.
This is good. I want more.
That was really good. That's my favorite so far.
Super good.
I love when you can see the dark vanilla bean specks.
By the way, on the back it says soy-free, vegan, gluten-free.
I'm in.
1% for the planet.
Woohoo! I have to say that's my favorite vanilla vegan ice cream. I think
It's almost like they shaved the vanilla bean right into that. That's expensive, but definitely delicious.
Really good.
I am gonna go do some dishes. All right, so this one First of all, again, nice packaging, nice contrast of colors. This is Java chip. I don't do coffee, so I'm gonna give it to Saraswati and Rachel. Dig in.
Come on, Rach.
You know, my mom's she's gonna kill me because this ice cream is super good and she didn't get to be part of this video.
Sorry, Mom.
Smells like coffee.
Very coffee.
Mm-hmm.
It looks amazing. It almost looks like it's got like peanut butter things in it. Is it? Is that peanut butter?
Mm-mm.
No?
I think it was like caramel.
Java chip.
It was good.
What do you guys think? Is it like, does it taste like
If
coffee?
you love coffee ice cream, you'll love this.
Yeah, it's very
Would it be good in like in a
strong
coffee drink? Like an iced coffee drink?
Yeah.
Float?
Like a float or something.
Yeah.
Cool.
It'd be really good.
Well,
Like a cold brew.
Ooh.
That'd be awesome.
Cold brew float.
smells good.
Mm-hmm.
Next flavor. We're going over to salted caramel. Ooh, look at that caramel I got in there. It's all
Ooh.
creamy and
Wow, it's so creamy. So this is the thing. I want to love salted caramel ice creams, but they don't really taste like anything to me.
They don't. To me, it tastes like caramel and
And salt.
yeah, caramel and
Okay.
salt.
Maybe I'm looking for chocolate. Like this would be amazing mixed with the chocolate one.
Like
Yeah.
chocolate chips. I feel like.
That would get you in trouble.
It's
What-
good.
What are the?
No, let's not go there.
We're not gonna look. We're not gonna look at the calories.
Not tonight.
But we'll put a link below, and you can look it up yourself. Sometimes it's all a big surprise. You go and save the best for last. Okay, here we go. Okay, so we
Hit
got
the high note.
no chocolate avocado. This is deep dark chocolate. So we got the deep dark chocolate.
Ooh.
Let's dig into that. Nice and creamy
That's really creamy.
and dreamy.
Very fudgy.
I like chocolate.
This one's really good.
Kind of tastes like fudgicles.
The fudgesicles when we're
Fudgicles.
kids. That's good.
It's good. And I want to say that I normally wouldn't say this, but I really think that the cherry amaretto is my favorite.
It's my favorite too. And I typically don't like fruit flavored ice cream.
I don't
but
either.
This cherry is
Super good.
amazing. Amazing.
And
then
not to say that this isn't one of my favorites, because it is, but I really think that the cherry is one of my favorites.
And the
my
vanilla?
favorite. The vanilla.
What about you, Rachel?
I think the vanilla. Vanilla is definitely my favorite.
All right, we're going to take the chocolate and the coffee away, and we have another person to introduce. Her name is Lola, and she wants to try some of the ice cream too. Oh, she's like, oh.
This is cherry amaretto.
Oh, okay. I'm liking that. Can I have some tea with it? I think she likes it. You have some on your paw right here. She doesn't want to move. She just wants to lay there. Look at her. She's like,
She's a bit lazy.
she's like, can you feed it to me? Hey Lola, look. Look. It's right there. Yeah. We got lemon. She's like, ah.
I don't think this is her favorite.
She's like, I'll take
Oh.
it. I'll take the lemon. Dogs
here.
usually don't like lemon or
Down
lime.
here. Lola, she's like Mikey. She'll eat anything.
Mikey likes it.
You want vanilla?
Vanilla.
I
Yeah.
think that's the favorite.
Doing good.
Vanilla. Yeah, you like the vanilla.
Yeah, you like that one.
Oh, taste buds popping.
And salty caramel.
Ooh.
Ooh, what did I do to deserve this?
My floor is gonna be so sticky. Next. What do you
Right.
think, Lola?
Oh,
What's the winner?
gross.
I'm giving her a piece without any chocolate chips in it, so just the mint. You ready? There you go, mint. I think this one might be a favorite too.
All right, which one was your favorite, Lola? The one over here. All right, all in all, I think that this ice cream was a success. At first, when you hear it's made from avocados, it's kind of weird, but it's really creamy.
It's really
It's
impressive.
really good. There wasn't any of these that I didn't like. I'll leave a link below if you guys want to check them out. And don't forget to subscribe survive. Make sure you hit that little bell so you get notifications, you don't miss my videos. Sometimes people see these videos. And I want to thank Rachel and Saraswati and, of course, Lola for doing this taste test with me. Until next time, watch out for zombies. See you guys soon.